Dopamine Detox 101. Reset your brain in 24 hours for maximum focus and motivation. Ever feel unfocused, easily bored, or lose motivation even though your tasks are piling up? Maybe your brain is experiencing dopamine overload. It's time to try a dopamine detox, a simple way to restore your focus and energy in just 24 hours. In the digital age, our brains are constantly bombarded by notifications, short videos, games, fast food, and instant entertainment. All of these trigger spikes of dopamine, the brain chemical that makes us feel pleasure and motivation. However, too much stimulation can cause the brain to become desensitized, needing bigger hits to feel the same satisfaction. As a result, simple activities like studying, working, or reading become boring and difficult. Dopamine detox is a popular method to reset the brain from the habit of seeking instant gratification, so we can enjoy simple things again and boost productivity. Benefits of dopamine detox. Doing a dopamine detox for 24 hours can provide many benefits, including improved focus and concentration, restored natural motivation, reduced addiction to gadgets and instant entertainment, better stress and anxiety management, making simple activities feel more enjoyable. What is dopamine and why detox? Dopamine is a neurotransmitter involved in the brain's reward system. It regulates pleasure, motivation, and habits. Research from Harvard Medical School points out that excessive exposure to pleasurable stimuli, such as social media or junk food, can lower dopamine receptor sensitivity. This leads to boredom and difficulty enjoying effortful activities. Although the term dopamine detox is not yet medically recognized, the concept of reducing overstimulation is scientifically supported as it helps the brain restore dopamine sensitivity, making it easier to focus and feel motivated. How to do a 24-hour dopamine detox. Here are simple steps for a dopamine detox you can try. Choose the right day. Pick a day when you have no crucial obligations. Ideally during the weekend. Avoid all instant stimulation sources. Turn off your phone, computer, TV, and gaming consoles. Avoid social media, YouTube, Netflix, and entertainment apps. Stay away from fast food, sugary snacks, and caffeinated drinks. Focus on simple and mindful activities. Reading a physical book, journaling, walking in nature, meditating, or doing yoga. Organizing your room, drawing or coloring. Embrace boredom. When you feel bored, don't rush to find entertainment. Let your brain rest and learn to enjoy moments without stimulation. Reflect on the experience at the end of the day. Write down your experience, how you felt, what you learned, and any changes in mood or focus. A dopamine detox isn't about getting rid of dopamine, but giving your brain a break from the flood of instant stimuli. By fasting from gadgets and entertainment temporarily, you allow your brain to reset so that simple activities become enjoyable again and motivation increases. Are you ready to try a 24-hour dopamine detox? Pick one day this week, prepare simple activities, and experience the difference yourself.